In this video, we will see how we can make an interactive map using DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek is a Chinese large language model. It is an open source chatbot which outperforms OpenAI's model in several aspects. All you have to go to the deepseek.com. You can sign up or log in with your Google account. We need to click on this Start Now button to start chatting. Let's click on this. A new window will appear. This is the place where we will write our instructions. Let's write here what we want to do. We will instruct DeepSeek to make us a code for interactive map. We want to do it in Google Colab, and the map will be a population map of the world. The population of different countries should be shown in the map as different colors. We want to make the shades of green to red. The lower population will be shown as green, and the higher the population is, the more red color will be appeared in the map. And for visualization purpose, we want to use the Plotly library of Python. Let's enter and see what DeepSeek AI suggests. It's creating the codes for us in different sections. And it also describes how we should use this course and how the code works. Now let's go to the Google Colab. Search for Google Colab in Google. Click on the link of the Google Colab. Then a new window will appear. Those who you are new to Google Colab, this is a interface for writing Python codes, and it uses Jupyter Notebook. We can create new notebooks from here, the button called New Notebook, and we also can make it from our Google Drive. Let's go to the Google Drive. When you go to Google Drive, you will see a Colab notebook folder. It will usually contain the notebook that we created in our Google Colab, but you can make the notebooks in any directory you want. If you want to make a Colab notebook here, you can right click and more, Google Collaboratory. So let's go to the Colab notebook folder and create a new collaboratory notebook. The notebook will open. Let's rename this as map. Let's close other windows and now go to the DeepSeek and copy the code that DeepSeek generated for us and paste it in the cell. This is the cell where we can paste our codes, and this button is for executing the code. Let's see the code. The first two lines are for installing the libraries. We can move it to a new cell. Let's install the libraries. Google Colab is installing our two libraries, Plotly and Pandas. Plotly is used to visualize maps, and Pandas is for data read and write. Now the cell is executed and it is shown as green tick mark beside the cell. Now let's execute the second cell. execution is being done and an error is shown. Let's copy the error and paste it to DeepSeek to see what it says. DeepSeek is analyzing the error and make us a corrected version of the code. Now let's copy the corrected version of the code and replace the code in this cell. Since we have already installed the libraries, let's remove this code and run again. You can see that our map is successfully generated, and when we mouse over on any country, it is showing the country name and population. Not all countries have the population data. Most of the countries have the population data, so it is loaded here. Now if we want to make our green to red shades that we instructed, let's copy this portion of the code and paste in a new cell. Let's run this code cell. Now we can see a nice and beautiful green to red shades of our map. We have generated a world population map using DeepSeek within few minutes. You can use this DeepSeek or any other large language model to generate any type of map that you want in Google Colab or other platforms.